This is with that chop, my wife's favorite. My God, just too good. During the time of Bakrid, you want to try various meat preparations, and Bhuna Gosht is one of my favorite because this is solid meat with such awesome taste and flavor. There are some techniques that are involved and you will be surprised with some. Here is the mutton, which is nice and tender and with the bone on. Bhuna Gosht with bone on, because the meat has to be cooked slowly, and then when we dry out, the concentrated flavors will make it very tasty. In this, I am going to add, you will not be able to guess what I am doing. I am adding sugar and mix with the meat. Now add little water, kind of wash off the sweetness, and let it sit in this water for like 4-5 minutes. After few minutes, remove the meat and put it in the strainer. You want to drain out all the water, because we got to kind of fry it in the oil till the meat gets slight color. Now add some oil. For the Bhuna Gosht, little extra oil is required. In this, add mutton pieces. All the water is drained off, and let it fry on a medium flame. If you put it on a hot oil in a pan and then you try to move the mutton, it will stick at the bottom. Just let it fry like 1 or 2 minutes, then you will be able to move the mutton. For a good Bhuna Gosht, you want to get slight color. Now look at this. Much of the moisture is evaporated and the meat is getting slight coloring. This is called Maillard effect, and this will give a beautiful aroma for the meat preparation. I am going to transfer this meat into another plate, and I am going to add the meat back again into the pressure cooker once I fry the onions and masala. In the same oil, add whole garam masala, bay leaf, and if you want, you can also add curry leaf to this. In this, I am going to add onion. You want little bit of gravy for the Bhuna Masala, you can add more onion. This should be good. I will get a good gravy. Fry the onions till they are slightly colored. Once the onion are slightly golden, in this add ginger garlic paste, pinch of turmeric, add mutton pieces which we have fried and kept it separately, and mix all of this. We are going to add the water. Mutton should be half covered at least. Put the lid on and let it cook for at least 4 whistles till the meat is nice and tender, and after which much of the moisture will be reduced. You can reduce it further, and then we are going to add the masalas which will make this perfect Bhuna Gosht. Much of the moisture is also thickened. In this, we are going to add chilli powder. I like it spicy. In this, add green chilli, coriander powder, little bit of cumin powder, and I have got a special garam masala powder. This is homemade. I am going to add, and also all this moisture has to evaporate and some oil has to come out, but you want that little bit of a kick, you can add little bit of tomato puree. That will also become kind of thick gravy which will coat the meat when you finish it. Look at this, the oil starts coming out. You keep cooking and the masala will get nicely roasted. What we call as Bhuna. Bhuna means slow roasting. So on a slow flame, keep cooking and keep roasting it till you get that nice aroma. And to give that additional Bhuna flavor, we add some pieces of capsicum and some chopped coriander. Continue cooking till you get the right consistency. Aha. When you serve this, this is going to be super tasty. Frying, I kept kind of, mixing this, and finally, the desired consistency has to be in such a way, it has to be slightly darker and it has to shine. Only then your Bhuna Gosht is ready. Each piece of this Bhuna Gosht is going to be very special, and Queen Victoria loves some kind of chopped pieces which I have added in this, and this is going to be crazy. Transfer this into a serving bowl. Wow, look at this. Nice, beautiful. Dear friends, this is a beautiful, awesome recipe, and I wish you all, brothers and sisters, happy Bakrid. Keep cooking. We're going to make a lot of recipes. In fact, for the Bakrid, you can just check our channel, and I have posted tons of lamb and mutton recipes. You will just love them. And make sure for this Bakrid, make this awesome Bhuna Gosht, and you will just love it. The mutton, My God. So delicate. The chefs prefer the kadai masala. Put the rice in it and my goodness. This is so good. The simple but awesome technique has been used. Slow cooking, giving that malad effect, will make the meat super and super. Dear friends, all I tell you is eat best of the best food. When you eat best of the best food, you got to do ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Once again, Eid Mubarak. See you in another session. Till then, Kudafis. This is with that chop, my wife's favorite. My God, just too good.